70% of gardeners report difficulty in determining the proper water needs of their plants, leading to overwatering or underwatering, which are both bad for our plants. And it's something that a lot of us face because it just feels like we're navigating through a maze blindfolded. Let me introduce you to a little hero that will give you a real-time analysis of your plant moisture. Hey everyone, it's Rawa. Welcome to Smart Gardening. Today we're going to be diving into the world of soil moisture sensing, but don't worry, it's going to be as easy as watering your favorite plant. So let's get started. First up is assembling. It's like putting together a Lego, but even simpler. So watch closely and you'll be able to build your sensor. As shown in the representation, you're going to connect your sensor to the Raspberry Pico. Check out my article that I will have linked down below for a more detailed step-by-step guide, where in this video I'm just going to show a brief overview. You can use this code to test out your Raspberry Pico on Arduino. If you don't have Arduino installed in your computer, you're going to have to do that before moving on to this step. Now is calibration. Calibration might sound like a big word, but it's just a fancy way of making sure our sensor speaks the same language as your soil. And trust me, it's easier than ordering your favorite coffee. So you're going to have to first get a cup of water to monitor your dry and wet reading. Next, to do this, you'll open the serial monitor at the top right and take note of the reading, which you'll need later in this process. Next, you will need to wire the LCD display to the board as shown in this representation. And just like we did with the sensor and the Raspberry Pico, you will need to program this one as well. I personally use this code, but you might have to modify it to fit your platform. To use this code, you will need to download one of the required library by going to Tools and installing it. Our sensor is now ready to feel the soil vibes. You should get 0% when the display turns on, and when it's put in the soil, the percentage should change. I have put mine in the soil and it's giving me a soil moisture reading of 100%, which seems to be accurate because I did put a lot of water since it's been a while since I have watered it. If you get 100% for your soil moisture, it isn't a good sign because it means that you overwater your plant. That's a wrap for today's soil sensor adventure. Until next time, happy gardening.